Hello guys, Thomas here. So, today I went to Tons of Toys and I got another toy from the Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway line, and it is Butch. So, here's his model inside the box. He looks pretty great, doesn't he? So, this character has made over a lot of cameos throughout the series. So, his first appearance was in Cranky Bugs Season 5, and then he appeared in Horror Laurie Faceless, Empty Godface in Rusty and the Boulder, and he appeared until Season 7. And he made over lots of cameos throughout those seasons. And he spoke for the very first time in the Season 15 episode Stuck on You. So, let's take a look at him. Magnetic lifting arm tows vehicles and cargo. That's pretty cool. And there's the little sticker. It says special feature. Alright, here's the back. Looks pretty nice. So yeah, let's open him up. This is pretty simple to open, isn't it? Whoa! He just slid straight out. Alright, here he is. So, on the prototype model, his crane is completely yellow, and there's its magnet. Right, there's the checklist and the collector card. So there he is, that's the prototype model. Can't you see? And there's the top and hat. Collect character cards for all your favorite Thomas Wooden Railway System friends. Butch is a very serious about his job, and he loves to work, especially with his engine friends. Despite his immense, I don't know how to pronounce that word, size, he is a kind-hearted giant. And here is the checklist. So yeah, let's open it up. Wow, looks pretty different compared to my others, because this model is actually from 2001. Wow. Look how cool this is. Alright. So there's battery powered. Over here there's Thomas, Percy, and James. Accessories. Characters. Thomas and the Magic Railroad characters. Lady Dieselton, Dodge and Splatter, and the Muffle Mountain set. They're the vehicles. And character packs. And buildings and destinations. Take a look at the back. There's bridges and tunnels, track packs, play tables and boards, playtime accessories, and sets. So I have to say, this is really cool from 2001, I have to say. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to plan on getting Percy. Look. There's Derek, Butch, and Laurie with flatbed. So yeah, this is really cool, I have to say. So yeah, you guys, that's my review on the 2001 to 2003 Wooden Railway Butch. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.